Good afternoon. Just look at the rough life these guys have. Hi, Kilo. Huh? There's Mocha. Peppy. Have it so rough. Jasmine. Where's Ginger? Where's Ginger? And Ginger. And dude. Where's my dude? What's up, old man? I think it's his birthday this month. He could be 11, huh? You old fart. Huh? Where's the wild women? There's the wild girls. Huh? There's the wild girls. What? What? Nikita. Hey. What you doing, Nikita? What do you got? Huh? And there's the lady. Hey, Brownie. What do you guys got? What do you girls got? What do y'all smell? Hi, Brownie. Crazy girls. You guys, what's there? I know. I'm coming back inside, Travis. I'm coming back inside. Just want to show everybody the rough life you guys have. Huh? Crazy girls. Nikita, be nice, woman. Oh, it's the garbage truck, huh? I think the garbage truck's coming. Didn't count, there's 9 of you, huh? Oh, I know, Peppy, right? What? Mocha. Oh my gosh. What? I know. Got a bug in your ear there, dude? And there's the old man of all old man. There's the old boy is 12. Huh, Kilo. He don't care about nobody. Don't bother me, and I won't bother you. That's his philosophy. Right, Jasmine? But you don't listen. You still bother him. Yeah. Okay. All right. Where'd Peppy go? Where'd your boyfriend go, Mocha? Oh, there you are. There you are, Peppy. All right, guys. Oh, now you come out, Kilo. What's up, old man? You hear the garbage truck, too? Huh? Do we hear the garbage truck? Nikita hears it. You hear Mocha? You hear the What are you, sliding like a snake? Yeah, I think the garbage truck's coming. Even the bird hears the garbage truck. Be quiet, Kilo. Jasmine, go outside. Come on, Mocha. Come on, Mocha. Mocha don't like the garbage truck. I better stop the video here because it's pretty loud for the garbage truck. It was peace and quiet. Just not now. You don't want nothing to do with the garbage truck, huh, Mocha? They're too noisy. They definitely don't like the garbage truck. You don't even want to be out there, huh? This is the times when neighbors get mad. Nakita. Pepe. What they doing, Mocha? Making all that noise, huh? Are we done now? Is that it? Did we get it all out of our system? Come on, dude. Diamond, you can't come in here, woman. No. Come on, dude. Dude. Kilo. Kilo. What do we got? Jasmine. Ginger. Dude. Mocha. So we're missing 2. Pepe, come on. Kilo, come on. Kilo. Come on, old man. I think you're getting Alzheimer's, huh? Come on inside. Dude, Kilo, come on. Inside. Wild ones can't come in here. You girls are crazy. What, you want to go back out? Alright. Oh, well. Guess that's it. Bye, Jasmine.